guys, how are you? And my name is Namy. I'm working for a ĐôNG driving school in Vietnam. And today I will make this video because I believe that so many foreigners live in Vietnam. They want to get more information about the driver license, and they really want to get a driver license here. Mình làm cái video này hôm nay ấy để là vì mình tin rằng là có rất là nhiều người nước ngoài thì họ quan tâm đến các cái hạng giấy phép lái xe tại Việt Nam, và cũng muốn có một cái bằng lái xe để có thể là lưu thông trên các cái cung đường vô cùng là khó khăn và vất vả, và đôi khi phải phi lên cả vỉa hè để đi như ở Việt Nam. Đó. Và hôm nay thì mình sẽ nói khá là kỹ về các cái hạng giấy phép lái xe, vì nó sẽ hơi khác một chút so với lại các hạng giấy phép lái xe quy định ở trên các nước khác trên thế giới. Okay, so the Vietnamese law prescribes the validity duration of the driver license of all kinds as follows. So I hope that you will spend time to listen to carefully to my video, and you will know more about the classes of the driver license in Vietnam. And if you really want to get a driver license, you can contact me via my YouTube channel. The driver license with an indefinite validity duration include, here we have a class A, B, C, D, E, F, and in A we have A1, A2, A4, A3, and in B we have a B1 and B2. We have a C, D, E, F, and in F we have FB2, FC, FD, and FE. So now I will describe and talk more detail about each classes of driver license here in Vietnam. Okay, the first about the class A1 driver license for the driver of two-wheeled motorcycle of the upper cylinder capacity of between 50 cubic centimeters and under 175 cubic centimeters. About the Class A2 driver license is for the driver of two-wheel motorcycle regardless of their cylinder capacity. And Class A3 driver license for the driver of three-wheeler motorcycle, three-wheeler vans, motorized pedicab, and vehicle of Class A1. Okay, and we have Class A4. Class A4 driver license are granted to the driver of small tractors of a gross vehicle weight up to 1,000 kilograms. And we have the Class A4 driver license are valid for 10 years from the date of grant. Okay. Now we move to the Class B1 and B2. Similar to Class A4. The Class B1, B2 driver license are valid for 10 years from the date of grant. And now we will go detailed about the B1 and B2, okay? The Class B1 driver license are granted to non-professional driver who might drive. The first is passenger car of under 9 seats, including the driver's seat, okay? The second is truck or special use vehicle of a design gross vehicle weighted of under 3,500 kilograms, and the trailer of the designer gross vehicle weighted under 3,500 kilograms. And particularly Class B1 driver license granted to the drivers who are over 45 years old for men, for female, and over 50 years old for male, will be valid until the drivers attain the age of 55 for female and 60 for male. Okay, so what about the Class B2? Class B2 driver license are granted for to professional driver of B1 classes vehicle and Ruby type crane truck of the designer lifted capacity of under 3,500 kilograms. This is about the Class B1 and B2. And now we go to the Class C, D, E, F. With F, we have FB2, FC, FD, FE. Class C, D, E, F, FB2, FC, FD, FE driver license are valid for 5 years from the date of grant, specifically. Class C driver license are granted to professional driver who may drive. The first is truck and special use vehicle of designer gross vehicle weight of 3,500 kg or over. Tractor, trailer, semi-trailer of designer gross vehicle weight of 3,500 kg or more. And drill bit time crane truck of designer lift capacity of 3,500 kg or more. And what about the Class D? Class D driver license are granted to professional driver who may drive the passenger car of 10 to 30 seats, including the seated drivers, the driver's seat, and a vehicle subject to B1, B2, and C driver license. About the Class E driver license are granted to professional driver who may drive the passenger car of over 30 seats, including the driver's seat, and vehicle subject to B1, B2, C, and D driver license. And finally, it is Class F. Class F driver license are granted to persons who have already been granted B1, B2, C, D, or E driver license to drive a vehicle subject to license of subclasses with a trailer of design of weight of over 750 kilograms. So above we get information about the class A, B, C, D, E, F. And I hope that if you want to get more information about the classes of driver license, or you want to get a driver license in Vietnam, you can contact me. And goodbye.